Hey y'all, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I want to talk to y'all about my Pinterest 3-week update. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. So if you have not already, go and check out Pinterest The Journey video that I had just recently posted. I'm a little late to the game. And this video will make sense. So I was trying to gauge it so I would post updates like every 2 weeks, but with me being on night shift, I'm just now getting to it. So again, we talked about how I was going to utilize the strategy on these new boards. And since I've been on night shift, I've been a little bit lazy with Pinterest, but I'm starting to see some traction. So that is a good thing. So I'm going to head over to my computer screen and we are going to talk through it. Right now I am on my main page. You can see that my monthly views has increased to 21.26K and I have 1 follower. Woohoo. Now, when I combine my accounts, you can see some of my old pins here from my other account. But if you notice, there is one right here that I have just created, 3 ways to easily resize digital prints, which is one of my more popular YouTube videos and blog posts to help people resize their digital wall art, okay? And this is why I wanted to focus on one of these pins. If you recall from the first video, we talked about pinning third-party content for the first 2 to 3 weeks and then start filtering in your own. I am impatient, so I started pinning my content about 2 weeks in, and so I will show y'all what that is looking like right now, okay? So first, I'm just going to go over to my page. Again, you can see 21.3 monthly views, and you can see the pins that I have created thus far. All right, so this is the how to create SVGs in Inkscape. I did end up creating board covers, and the reason why I created board covers was because I was creating a quick crash course on Pinterest, which you can check out up above for $27, where I give a very high-level overview of the platform and what you need to do to be successful on the platform. I will also be adding in these case study videos and providing some extra insights to the group as well. So if that's something that you want to check out, go ahead and check that out. The Facebook group does get a discount on that, so if you haven't joined up over there, go and check that out, okay? So you can see I just kind of started putting in these other pins, and I have 4 total on here. And you can see that this one is actually doing much better than the other ones, though it has not gotten any clicks. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this so you can see more statistics. The impressions got a really huge spike just a few days ago, which I thought was interesting, but I don't have any clicks or saves yet. I'm not too worried about that because, again, I'm not expecting to really see any traction or explosion on any of these pins until I am about the 6 to 8 month mark. And we're just coming to the end of the month closure. So I'm not anticipating anything crazy at all. But if we go back to saved, you can see that I have my boards here where I am still pinning third-party content and also starting to incorporate my own. So if I click on create and sell digital products, you can see that I'm pinning this third-party content, and you can see that my pin that I had pinned is also right here on this board, okay? So I am beginning to build the boards up. It is just taking a little bit more time because it is very micro-niched. Now, what I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks is creating pin templates. I will be including some pin templates in the Pinterest 101 course for everybody to utilize. I'm clicking on analytics. We're going to go ahead. And again, since I haven't been on here for 30 days, they don't really have a way to calculate my overall performance compared to the previous 30 days. But you can see that my boards are starting to gain traction, where create and sell digital products is gaining traction. Inkscape tutorials and sell digital products are my top 3 boards. And I'll be continuing to focus on those with these two kind of trailing in the back. You can see that they have less pins here. And unfortunately, like I said, they're pulling in data from my other account. So that kind of sucks. But I'm not ridiculously concerned about that. So clicking on standard pins, you can see, again, my top boards and what that looks like. I don't have any product pins, I don't have any idea pins, and I don't have any video pins, so you won't see anything on here. And then I'm just going to go back to all pins. The biggest thing is just looking at these impressions. So engagements, obviously, I don't have a ton of engagement yet, but I anticipate that's going to start to pick up. So I just wanted to give you all a quick little update on what that is looking like. I went from absolutely zero, nothing, to about 20,000 views, which is not really much in the grand scheme of things. What I plan to do is focus on this over the next few weeks, come back and do another update, and we'll see where we are at. I am just going to do these updates off the cuff because really I don't know what the success is going to look like yet. And I'm hoping that after the 8 months, we're all like, holy smokes, like, let's get on this Pinterest game. So that's all I have for you guys right now for an update. If you have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Definitely go join the Facebook group if you haven't done that already. And please give this video a like and subscribe because that tells YouTube you like what you're seeing and you want to see more of this stuff from me. If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. ShootingStarSVG signing out.